Hello! I'm super excited to get started and I hope you are too. If you're here, it means you're ready to dive into the world of machine learning, a field that's transforming industries, driving innovation, and creating endless opportunities. Whether you're here to kickstart your career, building amazing projects, or just satisfy your curiosity, you've made a great decision. Now, learning something as exciting as machine learning can feel overwhelming at first. That's totally normal because there's a lot to cover, a lot of buzzwords, and a lot of new concepts. But don't worry, that's exactly why this course is designed to guide you step by step. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to see where we're headed. When learning something as exciting as machine learning, it's important to have a clear path so you know exactly what to expect and where you'll end up. Now, this course is structured into different sections, each building on the last to make sure you get a complete hands-on understanding of machine learning. Your first day as a data scientist. Instead of just throwing theory at you, we're going to do something different. Imagine this. You've just been hired as a brand new data scientist at the company. Your boss walks in and hands you your first assignment. What do? Where do you start? That's exactly what this course is about, helping you go from zero to fully understanding how a data scientist works in real world. First, we'll introduce you to your new role. What does a data scientist actually do? What skills do we need? What kind of problems will you be solving? Then we move into setting up your working environment. A professional setup is key, so we'll guide you through tools like Jupyter, Notebook, Conda, and virtual environments. By the end of this section, you'll know exactly what you need to install and how to structure your workspace, so you're ready to tackle real projects. Working with data. The heart of machine learning, once your step is ready, it's time to start working with data. We'll cover data analysis using essential libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and you will learn how to clean, manipulate, and explore data. Because in the real world, raw data is messy, and knowing how to handle it is one of the most valuable skills a data scientist can have. Next, we'll bring that data to life with data visualization. We'll use libraries like Matplotlib to create beautiful charts and graphs, helping you understand patterns and trends hidden within your data. Then, we'll be diving into machine learning. Now that you're comfortable with data, we'll jump into the core of machine learning. We'll introduce you to scikit-learn, the most popular ML library, and walk through the full workflow of building a machine learning model. From understanding different types of ML, supervised versus unsupervised, classification, regression, etc., to training and evaluating models, you'll get hands-on experience solving real-world problems. And then, things get even more exciting. We'll tackle advanced topics like neural networks, deep learning, transfer learning, and time series. We'll use TensorFlow and Keras to build models that can classify images, make predictions, and even work with time series data. Plus, we'll show you how to speed up training using GPUs so you're ready to work with cutting-edge technologies. But being a great data scientist isn't just about coding models, it's about understanding how everything fits together. That's why we'll cover data engineering, concepts like Hadoop and Spark, so you know how large-scale data pipelines work and can communicate effectively with engineers. And one of the most important but often overlooked skills is communication. Because in the real world, you're not just building models, you're explaining them to your boss, your colleagues, and decision makers. We'll teach you how to present your work effectively, craft compelling stories with data, and make an impact in your company. A hands-on, real-world experience, this course is designed to be more than just theory. We'll be working on projects that mimic real-world scenarios, and by the end, you'll have actual work to showcase in your portfolio. You'll be solving problems just like a real data scientist, so when you step into your first job, nothing will feel new or intimidating. Let's get started. There's a lot to cover, but I promise you it's going to be fun, engaging, and incredibly rewarding. So let's not waste any time. It's your first day on the job, your boss is waiting, let's get started and see why being a data scientist is one of the most in-demand careers in the world.